At a busy Best Buy, a woman tried purchasing an expensive laptop using a fake ID. She was confident she could fool the staff. She handed it over casually, but the cashier caught on and called for help. A police officer arrived and started questioning her. Instead of cooperating, she tried outsmarting him, spinning story after story, but her plan unraveled, and her confidence faded. Let's dive into the officer's footage and see what happened at the end.
She's trying to walk out the doors.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
How's it going?
Good.
Do you have an ID on you? I think you're using fraudulent identification.
No, I don't. I don't have no ID on me.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, can we just move out of the way?
Let's
so we can
just stand over here.
out here, please.
Is there somebody with the car outside?
Where'd you get this ID from?
That's not me, an ID.
Huh?
That's not me.
That's not you?
No,
Looks like you.
that's not me.
That looks like you.
That does not look like me.
Yeah, it looks like you.
You got a white SUV.
Alright. What was she trying to purchase?
Computer.
Ma'am,
I'm not going nowhere. I'm trying to move from the side.
Yeah, you could move over here.
Okay? You're not even the officer. So get away from me. I'm not talking to you. I just said get away from me.
Computer, $1,300.
Mac?
Windows this time.
Windows?
Yeah. The two other guys that came with her.
I didn't come with that guy. Was asking me for my number actually, and I was trying to move.
Yeah.
I don't know him.
I'm not talking to you. So the
You said
cameras
two
were
other
the-
guys.
What the cameras
There
were
was one guy
pulled
there
out,
following me,
they all
asking
came
for
from
my
the same-
number.
My partner's
You're good.
Can we move from away from the entrance?
Yeah, you're gonna walk with my partner.
Okay.
You might talking to her over there. The her.
Yes.
What's going on?
He's saying that I was doing fraud with another guy, but I walked in, right? I'm sorry, the sun is in my
Here,
face.
let's go over this way just so we don't get the sun in your eyes.
While I was waiting for him, some guy came behind me. He was asking me for my social media and my number, and I'm like, no, I have a boyfriend. Like, leave me alone. And he thinks I was with the guy doing fraud.
Okay, all right. So you were just in here shopping, you're saying?
Yeah, I was looking at the laptops, and I had asked him for a laptop, but that was about it. I didn't purchase nothing. I don't have nothing.
Okay. Did you try to open a credit card?
No, I didn't.
You did not?
No, I asked for the information. He gave me all the information.
Okay. Did you like provide an ID at that point? Like, here's
No.
my credentials.
No.
You did not?
No, I was gonna try to purchase a laptop depending on the price of it.
Sure.
And he just said, okay, he got the laptop, went back there, and never came back.
Okay.
And then when he
what
came
laptop
back,
are you looking to buy?
he had is a Surface Pro. I don't even know the
Surface?
yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, that's why we're here. So
Okay.
we got to figure out what's going on,
Okay.
and then barring whatever. Like I said, we just got here, so I'm just trying to figure out what's going on. So, what time did you get here? Do you know about?
No.
30, 40 minutes ago? 10, 20 minutes ago? It's
15 minutes. No,
6:55 now.
I don't even know. Maybe 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yeah.
What's your last name?
Um.
How do I spell that? What's your first name?
Jeanette. Janette.
Janette.
Yes.
Do you have a middle initial, Jeanette?
No. I don't know because I'm here for vacation.
Oh, where are you from?
I'm from New York
Oh, okay.
originally. Yeah. Can I answer? Because I had left the Uber and I had like 2 addresses so he could take me back.
You were the Uber?
Yeah, but he left. So
Okay.
he
Yeah,
was
just let him know
probably
it's going to be a minute.
All right, give me 1 second.
Okay. Just stay over here, though.
Okay. Ooh. Wait a minute. Hello?
Call 5.
No, ya te jodí. Deme llamar el Uber driver.
Can you run a name DOB, please?
Because the Uber was calling me before he left.
So you walked in trying to buy a laptop.
I was asking for the price,
Okay.
right? And
So they came up to you, you're like, you're interested in this laptop, the employee?
oh yeah.
They went to the
I
back,
asked them-
they never came back.
Yeah, he went to the back.
And then you went up to the line.
What line? No, I was there the whole time.
Oh,
in front
where?
of the register.
Right over here?
Yeah,
Okay.
and I was asking where did he go to the other employees, and he said he was trying to get something from a printer to work or something like that. And then when he came back, I was about to walk out, and then right before I was about to walk out, he ran behind me and the officer came in.
Okay. What about these guys? You said there were some guys
No,
that came up.
they could check the camera. There was a guy, I'm standing on one of these aisles, and a guy came behind me asking me for my Instagram and cell phone number. It was a dark-skinned guy, and I told him, no, I don't have. He'd be like, so you don't have social media? I'm like, no, I have a boyfriend.
You said it was a dark-skinned guy?
Yeah, he had like braids.
Like dreads?
Dreads or braids, I don't know, and a hat.
Did he have anything else, like tattoos? Could
No,
you
I
see?
didn't notice.
What was he wearing?
I swear, I wasn't even trying to look at him because I didn't want no eye contact with him, but he was like literally right behind me.
Okay.
I was right where the TV is curved. That's where I was standing, and he came behind me asking me for my information.
Okay. Do you have an ID on you?
No, I don't.
You don't? Okay.
Okay, sounds good. Take your time.
All right. We'll wait here, and then my partner will come talk to you, and then we'll get going from there. But you're saying you don't know this guy at all?
At all.
Okay.
At all. Like if they check the camera, you could. Well, I mean, I don't know if they could hear at least.
Sure.
If they could hear him asking me for my number.
But you're
and for
saying
my
you kind of
social
brushed him
media.
off, right?
Yeah, I try not. I turned around and I'm like, oh no. He said before you go back to the guy, because he was helping me. Then he left and he was like, hey, before you go to the other guy, can I have your phone number or your social media? And I said, no, that I didn't have. That I didn't have social media, and I couldn't give him my number.
Okay.
But I don't know him at all.
Okay. How'd you get here today?
In an Uber.
You Uber? Okay. Are you staying local, like in a hotel in the local area, or?
Yeah, well, I already checked out the hotel.
Where were you staying?
And
You find where she lives?
Drive to New York, please.
it was the I have to check
29
my
from 30,
email.
we found one.
Sorry, miss. Did you say no record in both?
Yeah, no record, New York and Illinois.
Okay.
No,
Are you out of New York?
if I'm out of New
Like,
York,
do you live in New York?
Yes, I
That's
do.
where your driver's license is out of.
Yeah,
Your government ID.
yes, from New York. My birthday, yes.
Okay, because we're not getting anything back on there, which means that you
I
don't
never
exist.
I never been arrested. How do I exist?
No, I'm talking about like your driver's license. So that
yes.
means
No,
you're...
yes. I've never been arrested or anything.
No? Okay.
When I was in middle school for fighting and stuff like that, but not.
No, that's nonsense.
Yeah.
How long you live in New York?
Getting out of that
All
way,
my life.
out of New York. Nothing out of Illinois, but New York, you just have it back clear.
Okay, thank you. All right, like I said, we'll wait for him to come over and then see what's going on here. All right, I don't know if I missed it. Where'd you say you were staying?
I just check out. So I'm not gonna lie. I come here and work like at the strip clubs and stuff
Okay.
like that. And
Yeah, no worries.
I do that like sometimes in different states or
Okay.
you know. But
Were you staying in the city or were you staying out of a suburb?
what here?
Yeah, like were you staying in Chicago or were you staying
Yeah,
in Chicago?
Like and then I just go like every time I work at a club, I go to a next club the next day and stay at a near hotel from there or Airbnbs and stuff like that.
Okay. All right. So do you come for like extended like a couple
No.
weeks or just a couple days? Or?
No, this is my first time here in Chicago for
Okay.
that.
All right.
I prayed and it has sound like
Sure.
seriously.
Yeah, I don't know if they have like audio.
Yeah.
I don't know how their cameras work here, to be honest.
I hope if they do so, at least just so he could feel stupid because I would understand, but we definitely didn't look like we was together.
Sure.
But maybe because he saw him with his phone in his hand trying to talk to me, maybe he. I don't know who was that.
Yeah, you know how it goes when you're watching something from kind of a distance. You can't really tell what's going on.
Yeah.
When are you heading back to New York?
I was just trying to make money to pay my freaking bills, and then I didn't even have like flight or anything to leave yet.
No shit.
So I was going through a hard time, and I have kids and bills and
How many kids?
so.
2.
Huh?
This is Jeanette.
Hey, Jeanette, what brought you into that?
So I just came out here, like I was telling him, I dance at strip clubs and been from city to city, and then I came in, I'm not gonna lie. I was trying to get a laptop, but I didn't even purchase anything. I didn't get anything.
Okay. Well, did you give him anything up there?
The ID.
You gave him the ID?
Yeah.
And it's not you, clearly?
It's not me. It's someone that looks like me. Though.
Okay. What we're going to do is we have to place you under arrest for possession of fraudulent ID, so if you put your hands behind your back. Okay.
And I left my bag in the Uber, so I don't know.
Okay. I'm sure one of our female nurses...
Can I text my mom and let her know?
Oh,
that I'm
we'll let you call at the police department, okay?
Okay. This is too tight on this side.
Let me get it.
One female 95.
Would I be able to take the numbers from my phone at least? Because I don't know numbers by number. You can? Yeah. Okay.
As long as you're
Yeah, I'll grab your bag. I got your bag. Let go of your bag.
Can I go with it?
Yeah. We're going to walk outside. Okay?
I hope that they'll be able to see every light. Okay?
We're going to walk over here. Does your mom live in Illinois? You currently live in Illinois? How long have you been in Illinois for? 2 days. Do you have any pockets on you or anything, or no? No pockets? Okay.
Wait, what's the thing?
She faces charges of identity theft. Do you think someone else might have influenced her to attempt this purchase with another person's ID? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.